So today's topic is quite sensitive to me because it's a journey of my hair and how I maintain it. So my hair type is 4C and my hair length is short. I've been growing it now for since January, so 7 months. And my hair is kinky. So kinky is curly, 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 very small curly. My hair color is black. To maintain my hair, I tend to wash, leave-in conditioner, oil. And currently my hair is growing okay, but I've noticed that when it gets to a certain length, it stops growing, and that kind of frustrates me because it'll grow and then it'll stop, and then when I wash it, it falls off more than when I'm keeping it on. So that is quite difficult, and I still haven't understood why that was happening till now. As I mentioned previous to my other videos, it was because of lack of iron that my hair was shredding and also having bald patches on my hair. In winter, what I tend to do to keep my hair in good condition as well is wear wigs, hair scarf, and if my hair is able to cornrow, I will cornrow it underneath and then wear the wig cap and wear the wig itself. When I wear lace fronts, I tend to not use glue only because my edges were running away and they've come back to me. I thank them. Let's just take this minute to thank my edges. Yeah. So I wouldn't really put glue on my hair. In regards to my hair, it shreds a lot, as mentioned before, and I've noticed also now that my bald patch is actually covering up, because one of the reasons why I had cut my hair was because of lack of iron, and also I received bald patches like in the middle of my hair. I don't know if you guys can see it now, because I'm taking the iron tablets to also help maintain my hair. And also I'm also drinking lots of water and eating lots of fruits. But what I find difficult with my hair is that when, for example, I used to go to the hairdressers, they would corner my hair, but you can see it's really tight, and it's a thing where I'll tell them no, loosen it a bit so that my edges are still there. And for me to know that it was tight was that the hair will start to itch, and that means it's too tight. So that's what would have happened. But now that I'm growing it naturally, I haven't relaxed my hair since I have cut it, and also is growing at its own pace, and I'm not trying to grow out my hair like long like it used to be. I'm most likely just going to keep it short. It's easier to maintain when it's shorter and also dry quicker. Because I have short hair, it's manageable for me, and also I feel that when I put products onto my hair, it goes in, like it will go in perfectly fine, whereas before I feel as if whatever products I put on my hair, it would dry really quick and then I'll get itchy scalp, and it wasn't working for me. So because I was introduced to a oil that I use in my hair, which is rosemary with mint, but with a different brand, I tend to use that more, and that's been helping me manage my hair a lot, which I've already shared it with you guys before. I'm going to show it to you guys again actually, hold on. So this is the oil that I use. This is not a sponsorship. So this is the oil that I use. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this works like wonder. I will link a description below. I'm sure everyone's using it now, but this is really, really, really good. And this, I've noticed that it has been working on my hair. The reason why I said that my hair is a bit difficult is because it just doesn't listen to me. It chooses to do its own stuff. Like it will listen when it goes to its foundation, and then when it goes to high school and college or uni, it's like no, I don't want to listen. I'm just gonna fall back and let you shred. So I'm quite I'm in training, so I'm training my hair. Can't really say that it does obey me and it does listen. So yeah, that is what is happening with my hair, and hopefully I'll know what is working for it and what's not working with it, and what research I might need to look into in order to maintain a healthy hair and also have it to the length that I want without it running away from me as usual. So that's what I wanted to share, and see how do you guys also maintain your hair. Those with 4C hair, how do you maintain it? Are there other products that you might want to recommend that might work as well? Because so far this is working for me, and yeah, so this is working for me 1000%, so I'm quite happy with that.